An Abuja High Court on Tuesday sentenced a 27-year-old man, Abdulhamid Ahmed, to life imprisonment for defiling a 15-year-old girl. The police arraigned Ahmed on July 21, 2023 for rape. Delivering judgment was Justice Silvanus Origi, who held that in that instant, the duty of the court was to interpret and apply the provisions of the Section 31 of the Act under which the defendant was charged. By virtue of the provisions of Section 31, subsection 1 of the Act, the elements of the offense which the prosecution is required to prove beyond reasonable doubt are that the defendant had sexual intercourse with the victim, that she was a child as at that date of the alleged offense. The evidence in court shows that the defendant had sexual intercourse with the minor 4 times between 2022 and 2023, he said. The judge noted that the above was contained in the defendant's statement made to the police in April 18, 2023. The evidence of the minor's father, PW3, to the court stated that the child was born in November 15, 2007, and she was less than 18 years as in Section 277 of the Act. From the foregoing, the court holds that the prosecution proved the elements of the offense charged beyond reasonable doubt, he held. Origi noted that the defendant told the court in his evidence that the mother of the minor was aware of the relationship because it was through her phone that he spoke with the minor. He added further that trying to defend the offense, the defendant's counsel applied for doctrine of equity. The court holds that it cannot be applied here to defeat the intention of the legislature in the clear words of the Child Rights Act. The counsel also urged the court to apply Section 1 of the Act and enter a verdict of not guilty in favor of the defendant. The court holds the considered view that Section 1 of the Act cannot be a basis to reach a decision that the defendant is not guilty of the offense which has been proved by the prosecution beyond reasonable doubt, he said. He held that it is worthy to note that Section 31 of the Act did not make provisions for any exculpatory factor or circumstance. He added that the court cannot add to the Act which the legislature did not enact. The decision of the court is that Abdulhamid Ahmed is guilty of the offense of rape under Section 31, subsection 1 of the Child Rights Act, he held. The police said that Ahmed, who lives in Sabon Lugbe of Abuja, in January 2023 lured a minor 15 years, name withheld, of Agwan Fulani, also Lugbe, to his house with a promise to give a mobile phone and had sexual intercourse with her against her will. The police said the offense is contrary to the provisions in Section 31, subsection 1 of the Child Rights Act, appropriately 50 laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004, punishable under the same section. Reporting this is Whimsical Amy. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.